Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì wa. Ẹ wo ṣe rí fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi. A máa play fún yín níbi tí wọ́n ti tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ àṣírí. Ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé táwa ò bá ti rí báyìí àwa kì í sọ. Èyí tí a bá sọ gan an jẹ́ pa ti ṣe ìwádìí kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ pé òtítọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ èkó tó di pé a mú wá sórí ìkànnì fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti máa jẹ ìgbádùn gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ pa wọn káàkiri àgbáláyé. Ẹ wo ká má fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìjò ẹ ká sojú abẹ́ǹkó bóyá.
All right, so I have here with me DJ Splash and his brother. Now, the reason why DJ Splash reached out to me again after the video he sent to me, where he cleared his name based on what Iyabo just said, he said immediately after that video, when I posted it, a lot of people started threatening him. That even one woman called and she was yelling at him and insulting him. That people were calling him ingrate. And that's ingrate part. That's when he now say, okay, you know what? Please, I will need to clear the air. Yes, I appreciate Iyabo for coming, but I still need to clear the air so that Nigerians will know everything that happened that period. Now, his brother also said he was an eyewitness to everything. And he saw everything. And as a matter of fact, it was even through him that Iyabo came to the house. So, bros,
Yes, sir.
this interview what they do, I know the editor, I know the cut time. Anything where you talk now straight. If you use PG, I would prefer me use PG. If you meet Sam, but just feel free to talk. Do you understand? Feel free and say the truth. Now only you and God now you know. Do you understand? Anything where you do, now you and God now you know. So first things first, how Iyabo you take enter inside all these things?
That time we mobile matter first happened. Now this lover first reach out to me through Instagram. So he can't tell me say in the ask people around how he go take meet a Splash. So some people come forward my page
to them.
So he can't chat me up like, are you DJ Splash brother? I say yes. So he can't talk say how if he meets DJ Splash and he go like see him, maybe follow and talk for like video. I can't go miss my brother. At that time, if you could go miss Splash, say you want like one person want follow and talk about video, all these things, you know they agree. He go fight everybody like. You can't say you know deal, you don't want follow anybody talk. I can't tell this lover say my brother don't want follow you talk. This lover can't tell me say maybe I feel just taking snap or any video. I can't say that video no go work, but that snap I will just take that snap.
Okay, this lover say me snap Splash send to them.
Yes.
Okay.
So I can't take the picture, can't send that give. He can't say this boy no really they were true, but he go send my number give Mrs. Iyabo that Mrs. Iyabo go call me say she won't come, so you go feel take care of my brother. Then I can't drop my number. Then after like some minutes she can't call me ask me say she na the Splash brother. I say yeah, na Splash brother. He can't say okay make I send address so he won't come. So I can't send address give her and now next day she can't come. So
you send address that first day after you and just love her talk.
Yes.
This talk when you and just love her talk. Now we on a talk.
Nice.
You still get the chat?
I go still get, but you know say that account don't go, but the chat still no dey.
So okay, not true. That their old account don't go. So it's possible say you know get the chat. Now before you continue, before the issue of mobile, these people they reach out to you now to say okay whether anything that happened to DJ Splash.
Like that. Nobody reach out.
Okay. There's no wahala. So after she collect the address, then she can't come the next day.
Yeah, she can't come the next day. I mean even go pick am. As she don dey come, I can't tell my brother say Mr. Iyabo dey come say thank God you go dey okay. We fight that. My brother change am for me say wetin be know of this one. She be I tell you say I no wan follow anybody talk, do interview, do anything like that. Wey be say I won't even break it yet because I don't vex. Na mama dey hold me that day say mo una calm down. Why we go dey talk say how things go better wey go dey fight everybody? Later he can't calm down. Then when mommy Mr. Iyabo come, he come ask am say how far, how your body now? That one say fine.
If they do as if they talk, wait, it be as if they talk with fear.
No.
You fear?
No. I know they fear at all. Why go dey fear where they talk truth? I wait till I dey talk now.
So you will calm down, make it not be as if they fear or maybe the way you under duress. You don't understand. Okay. So calm down, just talk between you and your God. Now you know.
Sure.
Do you understand? So as she come, continue.
As she come ask my brother how life like in the house and all the Malian house, yeah. So then I come they tell am say ah na like this like that they do for that o. So you come ask am, maybe my brother know am. My brother come say yes I know you now. I even know your son Festus. So she can't be like, wow, you know my son? How do you know my son? The Splash can't tell her say get one time where your son come into the house where your son don't do alright. Say our son come meet him. Like that's the Splash say where the restroom did. That he won't use restroom. He can't show the boy restroom. So he wanted to say maybe so after some minutes he said the boy no come out. The boy no he can't go check and he can't say the boy no do alright. So he can't tell Miss Iyabo that now him if no be him go say him phone feel love that because a lot of people they come that their Nara house because they get snooker for there guys they come in they go. So say if no be him phone or everything where the guy and feel love that day. So now waiting because one of my brother even still did there. Me Splash and that other my brother did there. That day we
when Splash they tell her this thing.
Say yeah, son don't come.
So that time nothing like say drugs or no drugs.
No.
Anyways, so what you come happen next?
So from there she come arrange. She even talk say this kind of thing don't happen to her mama self before. Say you get where she even treat her mama. Say
which kind of thing? Wait, come. First of all, what thing they really been they happen to Splash for that video?
What happen be say that time he no dey alright. He no get himself. He no know wetin they do. But no be say he really lost all that memory. But that time he get some acts where the way in the art sometimes.
But was it drug related? No. This part make her ask Splash.
Yeah.
You listen to wetin your brother talk.
Yeah.
Now man hear from you. When you see Iyabo Ojo, wetin happen?
Wetin she follow me talk be say she I know am and I thought say I know her. Say even your son as I be am. Wetin I just dey try let her know that day say I know her son. Say and her son don come to Malia house one night with his friend. Na him friend him come with o. So I just say he come meet me say he wan use the toilet and he dey sweat for head. And I show am where toilet dey. Immediately wey I see say this guy no come out, I go meet am for there say wetin dey do. I see say he just dey sweat for head and he drop him phone. I just make sure say I put him phone for him pocket wey he no lost him phone that night. Na wetin I let her and she say okay. So let's start what we want to do. If I tell her say drug, she go talk say okay you and who dey drug that night. See only first talk. And when I come out from the hospital, me and her never discuss anything again about maybe I know his son or maybe I know anything again. Me and her never discuss anything again. So I don't understand.
Now, you see, I know what made you be like say you dey vex based on what she talk, so calm down. You understand? You don't need to vex. Now one of those things. You understand? Now one of those things. Now, what really happened to you?
Wow.
You dey smoke?
And that one, I won't lie or down.
Up to now? Or you don't smoke?
You don't take your smoke, you don't take.
You dey do coding?
I know they do coding.
Tramadol?
I know even alcohol. If you see me where I drink alcohol, maybe say me that no get it. And I no go use my money go buy alcohol. I prefer make I gather my money go buy it.
So you be occasional drinker, no be always. Sometimes.
And
it dey hard.
And it dey hard. No be say I dey go.
What of balloon?
But I know dey blow gas. If anybody can bring any video come out wey dey see me dey make me myself I go say if anybody fit bring my video out where I dey blow balloon, I never try am. Okay,
now for that Malian house, now only Festus for Iyabo Ojo house they come there, I'll be another person still there. It's a tactical question. You know what talk down?
I don't know about anything. I don't know about anything.
We can look at it the other. Don't worry, don't talk. So that particular day, Festus they sweat for her head and that was it. Anyways, let's leave that side. You say you appreciate Iyabo Ojo for what she do for you.
Yeah, I really appreciate. Like I'm grateful. Cause that time nobody come to my rescue. So as she come, I really I'm grateful. I'm really happy, and I dey thank her anytime, any day. Say she try, where she come from. If not, I for not dey well like this. So and I know the thought say she no do. I know the thought say she no try. But make she no come put me for any matter. Now I dey my day now. I dey do my thing myself. So make nobody come dey drag me for matter wey
No concern.
no concern me. So
That's good.
I know they.
Now, you were not feeling too well then. Now, as for you say you get one or two things where you go see life clear. You still want clear and make I end this video now.
No, you no really get wetin I wan really clear be say that time wey my brother no dey alright. Even that time wey Miss Iyabo you reach out, we get a lot of calls, a lot of people that really like want to come, like all these Agidigbo and
after Iyabo go.
yes, I even tell her, I told her some people want to like come for our help, like to rescue my brother, like all this. Like she said we should not grant any other interview, any other people. Even Oriyomi said reach out that time.
She said more than no answer any other person.
They say more no grant any other interview.
So how much? Because they say they contribute a lot of money for now. They say they contribute millions.
That money aspect have really caused a lot of damage, especially to my brother, my mom. Let me say the family as a whole.
How?
Thank you. Cause immediately after that video, after those trending of all those stuff, people thought maybe the day that Miss Iyabo came, maybe she give us something like maybe like 5 million or 10 million. Even some people, there are some people that have accused my mommy before. We heard that Iyabo gave you guys 20 million. I was like 20 million for where? That day when she comes, she promised my mom that she wants to give my mom 200. She pressed the 200k that day. Then after that time, she pinned my mom's account. People start donating, which the total money is like 2 point something. I still have all those information on my phone.
2 point something
2.2 million. Yes. I even sent her all the screenshots because that time the way all the money used to come in, I'm the one in charge. It's my mom's account, but I'm the one monitoring the account. I used to take the snap, then I'll send to her WhatsApp. I'll take the snap, I send to her WhatsApp. So it now gets to a time people don't really donate maybe 10 naira, sometimes 5 naira, 100 naira.
That's money now.
So then I was like, this is what we have for. I told her. Then she said, out of that money, you should use to take care of Splash. We should be removed from the money people donate.
Yes, to take care of Splash, which is okay.
So then the hospital, we first paid 400 for the hospital upfront, so they still have all everything. Then after that time we pay for medication, we pay for food, pay for what else again? Shall be for many things that time.
They say not buy food.
Yes, then my brother said he need phone that time. We call her. She said we should buy phone from that same morning.
With our parents too.
Then she said we should look for house. That she started looking for house. That people want to like rent house for him whenever he leave the hospital. Then one of me and my sister used to look around for house. Even our friends, they're like Mrs. Iyabo friends, some of them are calling me that time that we should come to Lekki for house in Lekki. I was like, because of continuation, I think we should stay in Ikeja or Egbeda.
Okay.
Then we started looking. On getting the apartment, and I reached out back to her. She was like, now she cannot do anything like for that house. So like people that want to finance the house, they don't really turn up. That we should took out of that money that is in my mommy account to furnish the house. If it's not
your former house.
Yeah, the former house. If it not have mattress, you should get mattress. You should get whatever you need inside the house. So that's how we spent
the money.
So
the house, they no rent out.
They no later get the house, and
so that means all those money where they say una gather for everything is not true.
Because some of my family said they are like accusing my mommy that you receive that amount of money, like 20 M. You don't even tell anybody from daddy's family. You like spend the money alone.
So which other thing she promised when she no do?
She promised that she will get her tools for his
that one I see the video where she promised and say go buy and DJ equipment, they go promote them, they go bring her back.
Even the boy that time, the boy was saying he want to sing. That so that he can raise money to get his equipment. We are just fighting him that why you don't want to switch? This is your work.
DJ
why do you want
work.
to switch from like your DJ to music? Even the doctor said we should just let him be for now. That whatever I want to do, we should just
try
support him. Then Miss Iyabo do now like okay, don't worry. If this is what to do. She called isn't Soso Bricks, something like Soso Bricks. So
Soso.
So he called him. that day, she called the man that day that he wants the man to like support this blah blah blah. And I say no problem. So she now promised that January about that music stuff that he will turn up for him, that he should just calm down. Then January came, we reached out to her. She was like, she have many things she's doing now. She's shooting movie, so we should not disturb her. She have many things that she's doing. She don't have time for anything for now. Then the boy started recording. Like maybe you can just gather some money to get.
Did he try to call her? That time when she made the video, did he try to call her that time? Yes.
Slash used to call. He used to call her now. He used to call her that time.
And
sometimes
she will respond.
sometimes she will respond. Sometimes maybe she's busy. She will not. But you get to a point where she's not even.
So at what point, what made her to stop? Not stop picking your call or your mom or anybody's call? What's happened?
I think there's a time that Splash reached out to her that he need some things. Then that's when she sent a voice note that day that you people are disturbing me. That's why I don't like helping people. This that. The boy now called me that day that he reached out to Miss Iyabo. This is what Miss Iyabo told him. I was like, send me that voice note.
Do you have it?
Then when I told him, he was like, she have deleted the.
Okay, so she sent the voice note and deleted it immediately.
I was like, see, and I was even fighting my brother like, you are not even sharp. This type of thing is supposed to like
forward it immediately
so that I can, because we are in this together. If anything happens tomorrow, we are in it together. So that's how that side now.
So me, when I was talking to him, he said something. When I was ready to go, he said that your mother is owing money, lapo, house rent, and all that. What's the story about that?
She like about the money. It was part of the money that she like borrowed that time that before all this Iyabo
came. Okay, borrow his issue.
So all this money is interest.
Yes.
When you can't pay up on time, then
they will increase it.
Then after this Iyabo came, the mommy was like she don't want to just sit and not doing nothing. So she started doing POS. From that POS, a lot of debt starts coming in because it might do transaction that the transaction might like say decline. Later, she find out that the money have
gone. And the people will just take the money.
That's how the debt starts piling up. Then she now go from one this committee that I used to loan to another, so that she will just try to manage herself. Because all the promise that she Miss Iyabo even promised my mom that she will get a shop for my mom.
Oh, she promised your mom that she will get your mom a shop.
Yes.
Nothing like that happened.
But we can't really hold her to that because
she no own anything.
She no own us anything.
She no own anything.
Me, I'm just coming because the allegation is too much. Like this guy is ingrate, blah blah. Me, I really appreciate what Miss Iyabo do, like to take care of this.
But some other things were not true, and
there's one of my sister that even called me like before this period. That my sister called me. She was telling me on phone like, she not see Miss Iyabo live yesterday on TikTok. I was like, I'm not online, no, I don't see the live. So that my sister was like, she pin account. He said, DJ Splash apartment 5 million. This one, that one. I was like, we don't see any money. It's only money that Nigeria people donated to my mommy account that we see.
Oh, so that will start calling you that Iyabo is doing live, they pin an account, but that account is not DJ Splash account, and it's not your mommy account.
So she was not calling.
But do you have a screenshot of that live?
For that live, no. Or let her ask that my sister if she took a
screenshot, so that we'll be sure whether they use DJ Splash to do something else.
She was the one that called me. So when I told her, she was like, you guys should go out, go and tell this one, go and do that. I was like, we don't want any problem. They just let everything
do this one.
She have come and try her best. They just let everything slide. I'm saying this
not because you are
punish her or to let people think
just to clarify.
But just to tell Nigeria that she tried her best. Not that everything that people think she do that she does. So that is what I'm trying to.
So it's simple. She tried,
yes.
But some of the things that she said she did, she didn't do them. And some of the promises that she promised, didn't do. Yeah. Now, DJ Splash told me something. He said, una know that they lock on a house.
Yeah.
Say landlord they complain and everything. Yes. So me, this thing I won't do it for back, but I go do it for video, so that they no go talk tomorrow. Say Verydarkman pay this boy to say so that anything I'm doing go be say this is the reason.
Nothing like that at all.
Now, una say una wan collect another house, which is how much?
950.
You said 950,
Yes,
and the following year it will be 700. So I will see whether I fit pay for the first 950, pay for the. So you go just remind me every year.
Okay.
You understand? So you just put your mind say 950, 700,